Welcome to the Suerte del Molino farm, Andalusia in Spain. Here is Sammy. He is now here almost 2 weeks, slowly getting used to his new environment, and the dogs are okay with him. He's okay with the ducks and the chicks. It's all good. Looking at trees today. This is an acacia lata. Very, very invasive. I inherited it here on the farm. And I pollarded it, and there are thousands of new plants. Which is not what I want. This is the same tree that I planted. This is the third summer it is here. A beautiful tree, but I am on the verge of getting rid of it. I've got one other one that I took cuttings from that tree we have just seen. And it doesn't make me happy. I went to a farm about 30 kilometers from here, and a big part of the farm is totally covered with these plants. No, we must say goodbye to it. This is Max. He's not well. He doesn't eat. His mood is quite good and he's active, but the moment he puts his mouth to food, he has a howl, and I have touched all his teeth and his gums and his throat and his glands, and I cannot find anything. So it's time to call the specialist. This is the Sudan grass, and it's doing well because I'm watering it. This is the same sorghum, Sudan grass, dry land. It has never received water from me or from the heavens. Looks different. This is Paulownia, this tree. We cut it short this spring. All these trees on this farm, the Paulownias, are planted exactly the same day. And there's a big difference. On another swale, some more of them. We bought 100 plants. We received 102. 96 of them grew. And in the meantime, we have planted a few cuttings more. So maybe we have 120 of them. Here they look much better. This is a cutting of the Paulownia that I have placed in here that has taken. This is a Nispro, a loquat. This is one we have cut. Another cutting. And then its brother next to it. This is one of the few north, south, south, north swales we have on the farm. 90% of them are east-west. Now this is also a Paulownia, planted exactly the same time as the others. It has a lot of side branches. It's a big tree in volume. And I really wondered why this one here is doing that. And then I discovered something, that the septic tank is just there, and the overflow of the septic tank is amongst these rocks. This is all the building rubble, or the building rocks of the old barn that was here, that was demolished, just flattened. Very porous in that sense, not clay soil. And this tree has now found this humidity, but also there's a lot of air. It is not stuck in this heavy clay soil. It makes for a very different tree. It can grow differently. So poo's not all that bad. I have buried the main water supply for irrigation on the western side of the land. It's quite a job, and I have regularly a tap, a gate valve with a 32 millimeter connector, and I have lots of 32 millimeter pipe. This will be now one of my hydrants, and should I have to fight the fire, I can just bring one of the 32 millimeter pipes here, switch on the pump and have this running. Just all around the house is important to me. Somehow fire is part of nature. I know we don't want it, but there are many things we don't want in nature, and it's just how it is. This specific tree and one other, Paulownia, I see they making some side shoots. I am not worried about that at all. I welcome this. This can be managed. Cows even eat these plants. Goats, sheep, pigs. It can feed them all. Not like the case with the acacia. When I flattened this area for the tent, I banked up the soil to the higher area to stop any water flow should it happen. And then I put some sunflower seeds in here. I am watering them. That's good. A big hole there, Mr. Dog. Till next time, goodbye.